Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Unbox the Hotspot and connect the provided 12V power adapter to it. Wait 10 seconds for the power LED to begin a steady glow. Insert an active SIM card with data into the router's SIM slot. Lock the SIM tray gently and keep the PIN disabled for initial setup. Place the router near a window for better cellular signal reception. Avoid metal cabinets and thick walls that reduce signal strength. Keep the device at least 4 inches above other electronics for heat dissipation. Connect a phone or laptop to the router's default SSID printed on the label. Open a browser and go to 192, 168, 1 to access the router admin page. Log in using the default admin user and password also printed on the device label. Change the default SSID, set a strong WPA2 password, and enable 5 GHz if available. Set the admin password to at least 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols. Save settings and reboot the router when prompted to apply network changes. Update router firmware through the admin page to the latest stable release. Check the firmware version number and follow on-screen upgrade instructions carefully. Monitor data usage and set a monthly limit like 0 or 50 GB to avoid overage. Configure alerts for 75% and 95% of your monthly allotment to stay informed. Enable a guest network and disable WPS to reduce unauthorized access risks. Place the router on a small, stable shelf and keep ventilation clear of patients.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.